Okay, let's talk about the blade. This is the item, the piece that gets replaced the most as you use it. Anywhere from 500 to 1500 cuts, depending on what you're cutting. And the top of the blade rotates from numbers 1 through 6. So 1, the blade isn't sticking out hardly at all. And then as you rotate 2, 3, 4 to 6, the blade is sticking out a little bit. You know, you can see it a little bit more, you can feel it, and that's the depth of cut. Now we'll turn it over, and if you press the spindle is how you press down and you can get your blade out to replace it. And then to put a new blade in, you just drop it in and hit the spindle and it goes in and stays. Put back in the machine, put it in with the arrow forward so you know where the setting is at without having to take it out again. Set the cartridge or the blade back into the holder. There. It's got to be lower. Okay, make sure that your arrow is forward, and you just tighten this finger tight. Don't over tighten it. It just needs to hang on to that, and that's all there is to that one. And this one you just open the lever here and this just comes out. And this cutting blade is, the holder is a little different, but the blades are exactly the same, and they go in and out the same. This one, you don't have the settings on the blade holder, the 1 through 6 depth. That gets set on the computer. So that one gets put in the same way as the first example. You loosen this and take that out and have your arrows forward. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at salehandmadeproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.